Hello all, in this video we will discuss the chapter 7 of the SOF General Knowledge Olympiad syllabus for 2025 examination for grade 2. Let's move on to the chapter and its topics. Chapter 7, Transport and Communication. The questions will be asked from the following topics in this chapter: means of transport, means of communication, road signs, directions. Let's see the sample questions and discuss their answers. Question 1. Which of the following is an old means of communication? A. Digital messaging. B. Video conferencing. C. Smoke signals. D. Emailing. So what are smoke signals? Smoke signals are an ancient form of visual communication that involves using smoke from a fire to transmit messages over long distances. Hence, the old means of communication is smoke signals. Answer C. The next question is, we have to study the given map of Ruhi's locality and answer the question number 2 and 3. So we have to just thoroughly go through the map given here and answer the following questions. So you can see Ruhi's home, bus stop, park, temple, school, and also there is directions given: west, east, north, south. Let's see the questions. Question 2. What is located to the south of the bus stop? A. Mall. B. Rui's home. C. Temple. D. School. First we have to see where is the bus stop. Yeah. And then south of the bus stop. See the direction? West, east, north, south. The south comes just below, yeah, the bus stop. So it is Ruhi's home. Answer is B. The south of the bus stop is Ruhi's home, or the Ruhi's home is located to the south of the bus stop. Answer B. Question number 3. In which direction is Ruhi's school located? A. West of the mall. B. North of Ruhi's home. C. North of the park. D. South of the temple. So west of the mall. What is west of the mall? Park and bus stop is located in the west of the mall. Correct? And north of Ruhi's home. Where is north of Ruhi's home? Bus stop is located in the north of Ruhi's home. South of the temple. South of the temple, Ruhi's school is located. So Ruhi's school is located in the south of the temple. Hence answer is option D. Question 4. Which of the following is run by manpower? So here only bicycle is run by the manpower. Hence answer is option B. Question 5. Which of the following is the fastest means of transport? A. Truck. B. Bicycle. C. Aeroplane. D. Bus. The Fastest means of transport is aeroplane. Answer C. Which of the following is a special means of transport? A. A picture of an ambulance. B. Picture of a ship. C. A aeroplane. D. A tractor. So what is special means of transport? Special means of transport or special transport vehicles are not general purpose vehicles, and they are designed specifically for some situations or tasks. Just like ambulance, or you can say about excavators, bulldozers, yeah, they have a special purpose. So these are called as special means of transport. Here answer is option A. Question 7. Look at the given road sign carefully. What does this road sign mean? A. Hospital ahead. B. Pedestrian crossing ahead. C. Kids playing area ahead. And D. School ahead. The road sign means pedestrian crossing ahead. Answer B. Question 8. Which of the following road signs indicates no parking? No parking sign is option D. Answer D. Question 9. Riya is living in Chandigarh. Her friend Sanya is living in Japan. Which of the following is not a useful means of communication between them? A. Inland letter. B. Telephone. C. Email. D. Aerogram. So first we should know what is inland letter. Inland letter is for sending personal letters or correspondence within India. Okay, and you know what is telephone communication, you know what is email communication. So what is aerogram? Aerogram is called as air letter. Okay, so now we have to choose among the following which is not a useful means of communication. And Riya lives in Chandigarh, which is in India, and Sanya lives in Japan, which is a country outside India. So which is not a useful means of communication between them is inland letter, because inland letter is used for the correspondence or for the communications within India. Hence answer is option A. Question number 10. Which of the following is a means of personal communication? A. Picture of a desktop. B. A radio. C. Picture of a newspaper. D. Picture of a telephone. So we have to find which among these are a personal means of communication. So telephone is personal means of communication, hence answer is option D. Question 11. Which of the following is not a common form of two-way communication? A. Letters. B. Instant messaging. C. Newspaper, D. Telephone conversations. So, which of the following is not a common form of two-way communication? First, we should know what is two-way communication. Two-way communication is a process where information flows back and forth between two or more parties. So that is like involves both the sender and the receiver actively participating in the communication. So here newspaper, there is no active participation from the both the sides, right? You can't communicate to the newspaper. We can only get information from the newspaper. Hence the for the question, which of the following is not a common form of two-way communication? Answer is newspaper, C. Question 12. Which of the following is correct about the vehicle shown in the picture? A. It runs on petrol. B. It is a vehicle specially designed for disabled. C. It is run by steam engine. D. It carries people across the seas. So here it's a picture of a tricycle which is designed for disabled individuals, correct? So it is specially designed for a disabled individuals. Hence answer is option B. Question 13. Identify the road sign which shows narrow road ahead. Picture A shows there is a narrow bridge ahead, B. Slippery roads, C. A steep hill ahead, and D shows narrow road ahead. Answer D. Question number 14. Which of the following means of transportation is best suitable for traveling for 2 kilometers in rainy season? A. Boat, B. Car, C. Ship, D. Picture of an aeroplane. So it's a rainy season and we have to travel only 2 kilometers. So for 2 kilometers, we will not opt for aeroplane and a big cruise ship. And it's a rainy season and mostly we would won't opt a boat. Hence answer is option B, car. Question number 15. Which of the following means of communication does not involve digital transmission of message? A. Letter, B. Email, C. Fax, D. SMS. So what is digital transmission? Digital transmission is the transfer of data from one point to another. It can be digital messages from your computer to another computer. Also, it can be video signals from your phone to another phone. Correct? So, here among the following, the communication that does not involve digital transmission is letter, email, fax and SMS. SMS means the text messages in your phone. So all uses digital transmissions, whereas letter does not involve digital transmission. Answer A. Question 16. Which of these is not used for mass communication? A. Letter, B. Fax, C. Email, D. All of these. So what is mass communication? Mass communication is nothing but you are sharing the information with a larger audience. Okay, it can be through newspapers, through media channels, radio, television, internet, social medias. So these are the mass communication platforms. So here the letter, email and fax, it is not used for mass communication. Hence answer is option D. Question 17. Which of the following is the least expensive means of transport? A. Picture of a bicycle. B. A picture of a scooter. C. Picture of a ship. D. Picture of an aeroplane. Among the following, the least expensive means of transport is bicycle. Answer A. Question 18. Which of the following is correct about the place shown in the picture? A. Honking is prohibited here. B. It is a no parking zone. C. Hospital is near to the given place. And D. All of these. In the picture, there are three road signs which says honking is prohibited here, it's a no parking zone, and hospital is near to the given place. Hence, answer is D, which says all of these. Question 19. The object shown in the picture is a means of dash communication. A picture of telephone is given. A. Mass. B. Visual. C. Audio visual. And D. Verbal. So mass communication is for a larger audiences. So the telephone is not used for mass communication. Visual, in this telephone you can't see the person. There is no video involved. Audio visual, yes, audio is involved but no videos. And verbal, yes, telephone is a means of verbal communication. Answer D. Question number 20. Urgent messages were earlier sent by dash. A. Letter. B. Telegram. C. Postcard. D. Newspaper. So we know what is a letter, postcard, newspaper. So what is telegram? Okay, earlier times telegram is used to send urgent messages. Okay, so telegram is nothing but a message that is sent electronically and then printed and delivered to someone's home or office. So to send an urgent message in earlier times we used telegram. Answer B. Question 21. Unscramble the letters given in the options to obtain the names of different means of communication. Select the option that cannot be found in the given word grid. A word grid is given and the options are A R T E E L T, B O L E M I P, C A D R O I, D I M L E A. So first we have to rearrange the letters and then find out if those words are there in the word grid, and the words which is not found in the word grid will be your answer. So if you rearrange the letters, option A is letter, Letter. B is mobile, M-O-B-I-L-E, and C is radio, R-A-D-I-O, and D is email, E-M-A-I-L. So we can find letter, mobile and radio in the word grid, and email cannot be found in the given word grid. Hence answer is option D, email. Question 22. Rearrange the jumbled letters to find the name of a means of transport that hovers in the sky. A. Hoetlpirce, B. Siabatlo, C. Cicyebl, D. Ucrkt. So if you rearrange each of the options, you get A. helicopter, B. sailboat, C. bicycle, D. truck. And the means of transport that hovers in the sky is option A. helicopter. Question 23. Rohan is standing facing the setting sun in the evening. In front of him lies the dash and behind him is the dash. To his right side is dash and to the left side is dash. A. East, west, north, south. B. West, east, south, north. C. West, east, north, south. D. North, south, east, west. So Rohan is standing facing the setting sun in the evening. So where does the sun set? East or west? West. So when he's facing the setting sun means in front of him lies the west. When front is west, your behind will be east. Correct? And to the right side would be. So when you face the west, always your right hand will point to north and then the left will point to south. So always remember, when facing west, your right hand will point north, your left hand will point south, and directly behind you will be east. Hence here the answer is C. Please make a note of this. It will be helpful for you to answer the questions related to directions. Question 24. Select the correct match. A. Urgent messages, email. B. Telephone, PIN code. C. Internet, video calling. D. Both A and C. Here the correct match is urgent messages, email, internet, video calling. Hence answer is D, which says both A and C. Question number 25. Study the given flowchart and select the correct option regarding P and Q. Safety rules. While crossing road at zebra crossing, P. While traveling, Q. A. P. Do not cross the road when traffic light is red for vehicles. B. P. Cross the road when traffic light is red for vehicles. C. Q. Take your hand out of the moving vehicle. D. Q. Keep standing in a bus or a car. Take time, understand the flowchart and select the correct option regarding P and Q. So violet zebra crossing, we have to cross the road when the traffic light is red for vehicles. So among the option, only the option B is correct. Answer B. With this, we have completed the discussion of the sample questions for IGKO exam for class 2. Please find the sample question for other chapters in our channel. Do like, share. All the best. Thank you.